Hi guys! In this lesson we'll start working on the street material. In the first step, I will create a road model, which contains only the parts visible in the camera. I don't need parts that are far away either. I will create a square plane to visualize how large the road model has to be. I think that's enough. Later I will place car models here to cover that part. I will duplicate this plane and I will snap the road lines to match the plane. I have to convert these vertices to corner types. I will create splines here, attach them to the main spline and weld vertices. Finally, let's convert the spline to the editable poly. Once I have a model done, I will add an unwrap modifier. The model has square dimensions, so we just have to project the model. Then, let's render an UVW template. I will use 8000 by 8000 pixels. Save the template as TIFF and open it in Photoshop. Now we'll be creating our textures in this file, and they will perfectly match our model. Let me show you. We don't need this unwrap modifier anymore. Let me delete it. Looks exactly the same. Now I will screenshot the road markings and pedestrian crossing to have a scale in Photoshop. Let's adjust the size. I will be using these textures from Polygon. I will put the link below the video. Place all the textures in the Photoshop file. I will resize the Photoshop file to 16K to get more details in the textures. Scale them all down to match the road size more or less. I will go back to Max file and make a screenshot with car tires. Again, place the screenshot in the Photoshop file and adjust the scale. Now we can adjust the scale of the texture precisely. I will duplicate all the textures to create a longer version. Textures are seamless, so you don't have to worry about tiling. Next, I will select all the normal textures and merge them together. We have a small problem with the pixels. To fix it, just duplicate the layer a couple of times and merge all the layers together. Do the same for all the other textures. I will create guides, so when the textures are merged, I know where the connections are. I will go back to merging the layers. All it's done. Now I will rename the layers so it's clear what is what. See you in the next lesson where we'll continue working on this material.